Introducing BETAVOLT's groundbreaking nuclear battery technology. A tiny powerhouse that had revolutionized electronics, measuring just 15 by 15 by 5 millimeters. This compact battery, currently in pilot testing, promises a 50-year phone lifespan without charging. BETAVOLT aims to mass-produce for phones, drones, artificial intelligence, and more. Inspired by pacemakers and satellites, the battery utilizes nickel-63 nuclear isotope, generating 100 microwatts and 3 volts through radioactive decay. Unlike traditional batteries, it won't catch fire or explode, even under extreme conditions. The secret lies in nickel-63 as the energy source and a 10-micron thick diamond semiconductor. The modular design allows multiple batteries for higher output, potentially powering electric cars and artificial intelligence systems. Despite the nuclear association, BETAVOLT assures safety, emphasizing its application in medical devices. By 2025, BETAVOLT aims for a 1-watt battery, claiming a technological edge over Western counterparts. Imagine a world where devices run continuously without charging. BETAVOLT is pioneering that future, harnessing the power of nickel-63 and diamond semiconductors. This DC power supply creates a pulse power supply with extended lifespan. By incorporating a supercapacitor, the modular design, consisting of diamond semiconductor converters and to micrometers thick nickel-63 sheets, allows for flexible power configurations from microwatts to watts, with an impressive 8.8% energy conversion rate, and the potential for higher purity nickel-63 sources. These batteries offer a compact yet powerful solution with a minimum size of 3 by 3 by 0.03. Explore the future of energy with this cutting-edge technology. Please subscribe our channel for technological breakthroughs updates. Thank you.